So how do insurance adjusters settle cases? I'll answer this question from my perspective, fighting insurance adjusters. I've never been an insurance adjuster, though at this point, having done it for decades, I feel I have a pretty good understanding of how insurance adjusters value cases and what factors they consider when determining settlement offers. One factor is who's your attorney. Is your attorney an experienced attorney or an inexperienced attorney? Is your attorney an aggressive attorney or a passive attorney? Does your attorney have a reputation for actually fighting and filing lawsuits, litigating cases, and going to trial if necessary? Or does your attorney just have a reputation for signing up cases and trying to settle them as quickly as they can and move on to the next case? That's important. Different firms have different reputations. Different attorneys have different reputations. Second factor is your injuries. Insurance adjusters take into account the same factors that I take into account, the same factors I ask juries to take into account. What are your injuries? What type of medical treatment did you need? How long did you have to treat? How much are your medical bills? Do you need medical treatment in the future? Are your injuries permanent? How are these injuries going to affect your lifestyle moving forward? Are you able to support your family? Can you still work? Did you lose money? Are you going to be able to continue to work and earn the same amount of money in the future? How has it impacted your ability to enjoy life, live life on your terms? What types of things are you not able to do anymore because of your injuries? What types of things are you still able to do, but you can't do them as well? Or maybe now it takes you longer to do them. Or you can do them, but it's painful to do them. Multitude of issues that we take into account to package a thorough and complete claim to advance to the insurance adjusters. So by the time they get one of our claims at Trial Pro, all of their questions should be answered. We don't put together some loosey-goosey little settlement package. We want to make sure we leave no stone unturned so that we distinguish your claim from the hundreds of other claims that most adjusters are handling at the same time. What makes our claim for you stand out? Why is your claim different and worth more than what that adjuster probably went into it thinking it's worth? So that's a big part of our work for all of our clients. If you have any questions, feel free to call us directly. We'll have a very candid conversation with you about your case, the value of your case, what we think an insurance adjuster is likely to take into account, what an insurance adjuster is likely to offer on your case. We're not going to pull any punches, but we're also going to strategize with you and figure out what we can do to develop and strengthen your case to make it more valuable. So if you have any questions, call us at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or feel free to chat with us live at trialpro.com.